What do you call a cow with no legs?
Beef. Ground beef.
Ground beef! Ha ha ha! Okay, so I'm going to talk about agriculture. So, no, it's fine. So, my name is Jessica Wells, for you guys that don't know me. I'm an agriculture business major, and I'm going to be talking about agriculture, because it's ag-mazing. Yeah! So, the big question, what is agriculture? So, the definition of agriculture is the production, processing, and marketing of food, fiber, and renewable natural resources. And the processing involvement is the changing of raw material, natural products and converting it into usable, consumable product. So, farmers grow their corn, grow their products, so you guys can eat. How awesome is that? Yeah. So, what kind of majors do we have in here?
Psychology.
Psychology.
Marine bio.
Accounting. Yeah, okay, cool. Agriculture has to do with all of that stuff, even marine biology. So agriculture is science. So genetically modified foods, that's science. So science majors that know nothing about agriculture, you know something about agriculture. So conservation, marketing, you're selling the market or the ag products. Communication, I'm communicating about agriculture. Economics, so the market, the math side, all that stuff. And there's so much more. And it's so cool, because are you an expert in your field? Yeah. So how far have we come in agriculture? So agriculture has come so far in the last 100 years. So in 1960, one farmer fed, on average, a total of 26 people. That's not a lot. And today, one farmer feeds 155. OMG. So, in the past, 55 years, we have increased 100 people, feeding 100 people. That's amazing. Another fun fact, in the 1900s, 38% of people were farmers. And now that we're in the 20,000? Yeah. 2.6% of people are farming on 1% of farmable land. That's not a lot. So, that is why I'm here to talk to you about what you guys can do. So, another fun fact, because I like cows, all of you guys know this. So, in 1970, one cow produced 9,700 pounds of milk a year. I like milk, so that's not a lot. Today, one cow will produce 19,000 pounds of milk each year. Wow. And the reason why that has increased so much is because nowadays we have better nutrition for our animals. We have better genetics. We have better environment for our animals. And so we can have plenty of milk for everyone. So now that we talked about a little bit about the past and a little bit about the present, where are we going in the future? So agriculture is growing so much. So 27% of the workforce is in agriculture. That's not just farmers, that's everyone. So that's including me and anybody that is an agriculturalist. So in 2050, it is estimated that the world population will be 9.6 billion. That's a lot of people. Today, the world population is 7.2 billion. That's still a lot of people. So, in order to feed all these people with 1% of farmable land, we need better you guys. You guys need to be the voices of agriculture. You guys need to step up if you guys want to eat. Because, let's be honest, we all love to eat. So one thing that I've noticed recently is the media. So the media is a super scary place that tells a bunch of lies. I'm sorry if you're an advertising media major, But, sometimes media doesn't tell the truth about everything. So you should know enough to make an informed decision to find out the rest of the information. And knowledge is your best protection. And also, intelligent people, which we all are, people listen to all the information and then ask the right questions. So, since you guys are intelligent people, I know you guys will listen to everything I have to say and ask the right questions. Yeah. Okay, so some of the articles and all that good stuff, well, they're bashing agriculture. And it's bad for me, and it's bad for you guys. Because if people are bashing agriculture and bringing agriculture down, that means food prices go up, and you guys can afford food. So, some of the articles that have recently come out are biotechnology and genetic engineering. So, probably some of you guys have heard about the GMOs, how they cause cancer, they're bad for you. Yeah, have you heard about that? Yeah. So, that's a total lie. They have recently done studies that confirm that it doesn't cause cancer. It's actually good for you. You've been eating genetically modified foods for, I want to say like 50 years. Also, waste runoff goes into our drinking water. The USDA and the FDA are here to protect you. They're government organizations that really protect you guys and make sure that you're healthy and eating healthy foods and drinking healthy water. Also, cruelty to animals. Okay, I love animals. I'm sure everyone else does. I love to eat animals. I'm sure everyone else does. Why would I want to harm animals? If you are cruel to animals, they give awful meat, they give less milk, so why would we want to be cruel to them? Also, food labeling. Food labeling has been a huge issue. Well, there already are labels on your food. Growth hormones. We do not use growth hormones. If you hear anybody saying that you inject chickens with growth hormones, And then another thing that I found, I love Oprah Winfrey. She's an awesome lady. She gives out free stuff. Awesome. So, during one of her talk shows, she was talking to a farmer that had a bunch of cows that had mad cow disease. So if you know anything about mad cow disease, it spreads like wildfire. So if you have other animals consume it, if you consume it, you will have mad cow disease. USDA will fight you for it, or fight against that. So what she talked about is that these cows with mad cow disease are fed to other cows. Well, if that happened, it keeps spreading and spreading. So, after this comment, the meat prices dropped, and that meant food prices went up. So, Oprah Winfrey had no right to say that, but that is her opinion, and her opinion lots of people listen to. So, that is your own opinion. You can listen to her no matter what, but I think she's wrong. Okay, so what do you believe? If you believe all the negative publicity, like Oprah Winfrey, about the agriculture industry, then you won't be left with any options when it comes to dinner. So, the meat, grains, juices, fruits, vegetables, water, milk, pasta, etc., whatever you want to eat, has all been challenged as not safe by the recent media attention on agriculture. So, what can you guys do? You guys can stay informed and knowledgeable about agriculture, because agriculture is so cool, and you guys get to eat it. That's awesome. Okay, so fun fact, did you know an acre of corn removes 8 tons of harmful greenhouse gases? What? You guys are breathing air. That's good. And you guys can inform others. So you guys can inform others that can inform others that can inform others. It's like a train. Keep going. Also, So you guys can support agriculture. Don't bring it down. If you guys are bringing it down, just don't eat. Also, think a farmer, because they are growing this nutritious food for you guys. So, also another ag-amusing fact. One cowhide can produce leather to make 20 footballs, 18 soccer balls, 18 volleyballs, and 12 basketballs. Or 12 basketballs, sorry. That's awesome. Okay, so now we're going to play a Jeopardy game. So while I'm setting this up, if you guys want to pick one person from your team that will be the leader, and also if you guys can get a pen and a paper out to keep points. Alright guys, you have them? Yes, no? I have a cool prize to whoever's team wins, just saying. Okay guys, are we ready? Yeah. Yep. So, okay, you guys want to go first? Okay, what do you guys want?
Let's do
3. Okay.
Wait,
Me for 5. We take it, it's fine. We were discussing. Okay. So the question is, what is a male of the bovine species called? You got 10 seconds. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, 3 points for this team. Okay, so you guys are next. What do you guys like?
B for 4.
B for 4. Okay, so the question is, name 2 of the compartments of a cow's stomach. Hello. You guys have 10 seconds.
Big stomach and little stomach.
Wrong. Okay, you guys.
Permanent?
Wait, to what?
Wait, not our answer.
No?
What? Do what?
Ruminant?
And what else?
Can we get like half one?
All or nothing.
The large stomach.
You did have ruminant. So there's 4 compartments. So the omasum, abomasum, reticulum, and rumen.
Is it the rumen?
Alrighty. So what? Wait. Oh yeah. Go ahead. Sorry.
Which would dairy? Dairy for 5?
Okay. The question is: French scientist Louis Pasteur discovered that heating liquids to high temperatures killed bacteria. This process is called pasteurizing. Yes. 5 points for you guys.
That was obvious.
Okay. You guys.
We want sheep for 5.
Sheep for 5.
I'm not confident about this.
Okay. The question is: a sheep's meat is a good source of what?
Oh, you're a genius.
Protein is our final answer.
Yes. So there's multiple answers. So protein, iron, B vitamins, and zinc. Okay. You guys are next. What do you guys want?
Poultry for 5.
Poultry for 5. Poultry for 5. Okay. The question is a box which maintains a constant temperature and used to hatch eggs. What is it?
Incubator.
Yes. Okay, you guys are next.
You go 1 for 3.
Okay, the question is, weed killers, cosmetics, floor waxes, chalk, crowns, and antifreeze are made from what part of the pig? Make sure you're writing your answers or your numbers down.
Caitlin says the pig snout.
Did I?
You're wrong. Okay, you guys are next. What do you guys think it is?
Fat.
You're right. It's a pig's fat. Okay, what do you guys want? Dairy. I think there's a dairy for 5. Oh, no, that wasn't. Okay, I think poultry for 5. Swine for 5. You guys want swine for 5? Well, okay, the question is, what is a pig a symbol of?
Like a horoscope?
Like that stuff. like, I don't want to give you a hint, but.
Oh. It's like a gear.
What? It's a symbol of what?
It's actually
Okay, you guys have 5 more seconds.
I would think they should
A boar? What is it?
A boar.
No. Okay, so the answer is good luck and prosperity. Oh, sorry. Okay. What do you guys want?
anyone that's 4 and 5.
Okay. You guys want beef for 4? We already did beef. Oh, we have. Okay. You guys. What do you guys want then?
Poultry.
Poultry. Oh, that was already. So poultry for 4. Okay. The question is, poultry are birds raised for their blank or blank? You are correct. Woo! Alrighty, what do you guys want?
I'm going to say dairy for 3.
Dairy for 3. The best source of calcium are blank, yogurt and cheese.
That's false.
Milk?
Yes.
Oh,
It is milk. Alrighty. What would you guys like?
What's the
There's sheep.
We
A
did
good
4.
price.
We did beef for 4. Yeah.
You guys want beef for 4?
No, we already did that.
Or what? What'd you say?
Yes.
Yeah.
Poultry for 4. That was taken.
Oh, that's
Okay,
it.
any 4s available? There is.
Swine for 4.
Okay, swine for 4.
A pig heart's valve has been used to replace this in humans.
I know this. It's on Grey's Anatomy.
I would hope so. Really? Okay.
What is a human heart valve?
Do what?
What is a human heart valve?
Correct! 4 points for you guys. Human heart valves. Alrighty, what do you guys want? All the 4s are taken. 4s and 5s are taken. A person who cares for sheep is... Yes. Oh, oops. Okay. So, did you guys got that right? Yeah. Okay. What do you guys want?
Poultry for 3.
Poultry for 3. These are used to stuff pillows and insulate clothing. What is it? Feathers, yes, correct. Okay, what do you guys want? I think the 3s are done.
We want beef for 2.
Yeah. Beef for 2. Farmers and rangers use this to identify their cattle.
Ear tags. No?
Yes. It's a brand. You can brand them, ear tag them, all sorts of good stuff. Alright, you guys are the last team. And then we're done.
Dairy for 2.
Dairy for 2. Okay, what breed of dairy cattle has a pattern of a Dalmatian dog?
Holstein.
Yes. It is a Holstein. Okay, guys, if you guys want to calculate your answers, who has the most?
We have 2.
You guys have 7, 9, 8, 8. Okay. So whoever had 9, you guys are the winners! We're so happy! And you guys get this wonderful prize! Yay! Alright, guys. Guys, I just want to thank you guys for taking the time and listening to me, and I hope you enjoyed it.